As a Canadian, I'm supposed to embrace winter. Frankly, I dislike winter intensely. But most of all, what I hate is that my convertible sits in storage for 4 months, waiting for spring to arrive. Now, it's still too early to get my convertible out of storage, but I'm here in southern Portugal driving the new 2019 BMW M850i xDrive. Under the hood, a 4.4-liter twin turbocharged V8, 523 horsepower, 553 pounds-feet of torque, 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 3.9 seconds. For something that weighs over 4,000 pounds, this baby hauls. And it handles well too. Not 100% sports car, but a really, really good Grand Tourer. You don't hear anything, even at elevated speeds. We were going 130 kilometers an hour and normal conversation going on, no problem at all. It is a soft top, but it's well insulated. It comes with xDrive all-wheel drive system. That means you can use this baby 12 months out of the year. Standard features include a wind deflector. Optional, you can get neck warmers. It's 4 seats, but 4 passengers, that's a bit of a tricky proposition. Children and shorter adults, they'll be able to fit in the back seat, but not with a wind deflector up. Somebody tall like myself, no chance. So really it's a 2+2. Here's why you should buy one. Firstly, the 8 Series Coupe and the 8 Series Cabriolet replace the 6 Series Cabriolet and Coupe, but they're not replacements. I know that sounds a bit convoluted. The 8 Series is on a totally different platform than the old 6 Series, and it's a much higher level clientele. This car costs $131,500 to start, so it's not for everybody. Who should buy it? Well, anybody who wants a legitimate Grand Tourer. You have to love the wind in your hair, the sun in your face. For me, the sun is shining, my skin is turning a nice rosy pink. I'm going for another drive. For Driving.ca, I'm Brian Harper.